Hello, I'm Ken Reed, and we are now on page 17 of the DYO Green Building Decision Kit on the topic of indoor air quality, IAQ, and health. The number 17A is paint and stains, environmentally friendly versions with low VOC. 17B, wood finishes. 17C, sealants and coatings. 17D, petroleum-free caulks, adhesives, solvents. 17E is interior wood and panel products. 17F is cabinetry and countertops. 17G is sealants for exposed OSB, oriented strand board, particle board, and MDF. All these are important considerations that we'll discuss. 17H is closets and storage. And 17I is whole house vacuum systems.